This homemade granola recipe is not only delicious, but also an easy pantry staple. Start by mixing together old-fashioned oats with quick oats. The combination gives the granola a texture that's both chewy and crisp. Add a pinch of cinnamon for a cozy spice flavor. Melted coconut oil, as well as vanilla and honey, will help your granola bind together, and the honey helps to add a little sweetness. Once your mixture is perfectly combined, spread it out evenly on a baking sheet. Bake at 325 for 10 minutes. Just when the granola is nearly perfect, add dried cranberries and bake it for an additional 5 minutes. This recipe is versatile, so feel free to add slivered almonds, flakes of coconut, or even flaxseed for added nutrition. Spoon it over a bowl of yogurt, mix it with milk as a cereal, or just grab a handful in passing. You can get the full recipe by clicking the link in the description. Be sure to subscribe and check out my other recipes.